Good morning! For today's video, I just want to flex this iconic tools of all time. This is the iconic tools called Bilugon in the 90s and was also called Kagingking in the other parts of the province, mostly in Panay Island. This tool is approximately measured 3 feet long, made of bamboo branch. This is very flexible, my friend, and very reliable when it comes to discipline. This tool is also used if sometimes gabi ka na nagpuli, kag damo ido sa lagyan, or dogs in English. Some residents also use this to let evil spirits go away if there are times nga aga ka na nagpuli, halin sa baylihan, or what we call night outs nowadays. Sa mga 90s kids da nga nakalantaw sa nga video, you will remember the times nga nag-skip ta sa klase sa una para lang maligo sa suba or river sa Ilonggo. Isa lang kahit sa amon nga tool na ginatawag Bilugon will make you promises kay nanay nga you will not do it again anymore. This is one of our experience that will never be forgotten. That's why we grow all disciplined and humble because of this tradition. If you are watching this right now and you were born also in the 90s, I am sure that you are a family man now and maybe having a children already, but be careful to use these tools, my friend, because baka ma-report ka sa 911 or DSWD ha. Bawal na sa buong malamang maknot. Damo sa buong CCTV bala. Halong gid. By the way, thank you gid sa tanan mga ga-react sa akong video. Salamat gid sa pagtanaw nyo kapag react. Thank you, Godspeed.